Good afternoon. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Tonight I'm going to fix something real simple. It's just going to be chicken legs. We're going to use hidden ranch dressing. And I'm going to use an extra crispy seasoned coating mix. You can buy this for either pork, chicken, or just the regular. So today I've just got the regular. So what you have to do first is you have to put your chicken legs in a bag, and we're going to pour ranch dressing over it, and we're going to put it in the refrigerator and let it marinate for 15-20 minutes. It doesn't matter if it marinates overnight, but since I'm going to have this for dinner, I'm going to let it marinate probably 15 minutes. So this is real simple. That's what I like about some things, is just do it the real simple way. I have some ranch dressing already opened that I'm going to use. It may not be enough, but we'll start out with this anyway. So all you do is put it in the bag. Like I say, that may not be enough, but we'll soon see in just a moment. There. If not, I'll open the other container. Zip it up and just coat it. Coat each piece. Well, I really think that might be enough. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and just let it for about 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and just let it set. Then when we take it out, I'm going to coat it in this mix, and we're going to cook it in our Ninja oven. And you just lay it on a piece of aluminum foil, spread butter, rub butter on top of it, and cook it at 400 degrees for 45 minutes. You don't turn it over, you don't do anything else, and it'll be done. It's one of the quicker meals you can fix. This is good for quarters, chicken breast. I just happen to have 4 legs here, and that's what we're going to fix. Okay, my chicken has been in the refrigerator. I had used the ranch dressing, so it's been covered up in the refrigerator. So what we're going to do now is we're going to cover the pan with aluminum foil. We're going to take some butter, and all you have to do is just rub it over the pan. Or over the aluminum foil. And if you don't punch a hole in your aluminum foil, it's the easiest cleanup you have ever seen. Okay. So we've got that done. And in each one of these boxes, there is 2 packs of the seasoned coating and a plastic bag. So what we need to do cut off the top, open this coating. And I've sort of turned down the top of this bag just so it doesn't make but such a big mess. And we just have to put the chicken in the bag. If you sprinkle just a little bit of this dry coating mix in the bag and sort of spread it out just a little bit, and just take the chicken. Okay, now I've emptied the bag into this with the chicken in it, and just shake it around. Try to get your chicken coated with the... Then all you have to do, once you get it coated, is take it out and lay it on your pan. I put one piece out. I'm going to see if I can get some of the others coated a little bit more. And sometimes there's a little bit left in this bag here. And what I usually do is I try to find a spot that didn't get, looks like it's sort of thin. I just sort of pack it on there a little bit. And all you do now is you set it in your Ninja oven and cook it for 45 minutes at 400 degrees. And you don't turn it over, you don't do anything else with it, and it will definitely be done. I have got it on the second rack. We've got it at 400 degrees for 45 minutes. It'll take a few seconds for it to preheat. It's not very long, and then it will start. And we'll come back. Okay, my Ninja oven has just beeped to let me know that it's finished cooking for 45 minutes. So I've set it out on this rack. And let's just see what the poultry is supposed to be 180 degrees. And as you can see, it's already past 180, so this is definitely done. So what we're going to do now is we're going to fix us some dinner. As you can see, it is definitely done. I had some potato salad left over from yesterday. So I'm going to have chicken legs, potato salad, chicken legs that's been cooked in this seasoned coating mix, marinated in ranch dressing first and then with the seasoned coating mix. And I just want to show you that it is definitely done. The chicken is definitely done. So I've got potato salad and chicken for dinner. Again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Please watch my channel, join my channel, give me your comments, and offer me suggestions. And I hope you have a good night and happy Easter. The one really good thing I like about cooking it in a pan like this, whatever you don't eat and you put it on a plate for tomorrow sometime. Now, I like the crumbs off of this right here. I just usually just take them and put them right over here. So when I warm up everything, I'll have some crunchy crumbs. There's 2 pieces that was left. So all you have to do is just take the aluminum foil off Fold it up, throw it in the trash. Wipe out your pan or wash your pan. Wipe it out, but it is done. That's it. No mess. And that's the best way. And then I still got 2 pieces left for tomorrow. And again, around the house with Kay and Tom.